I'm criminal defense attorney Michael Becker with the Colorado Legal Defense Group, and I'm here at the Weld County Jail in Greeley, Colorado. This 713-bed correctional facility is located at 2110 O Street, and the phone number is 970-356-4015. Created to help friends and family of incarcerated individuals in Greeley, this short video provides important information about the Weld County Jail. Bail bonding policies. To help your loved one gain temporary freedom from this detention center, you may be able to post a bail bond. Find out the bonding status and amount due by calling the jail bond desk at 970-356-4015, extension 3921 or 3922. A cash bond can be paid at the jail along with an additional booking and bonding fee of $40. The facility accepts cash, money orders, or cashier's checks payable to Weld County Sheriff's Office. An alternative is to hire a licensed bail bonding agency to post bond for you. You may need to put up real property as collateral and will be charged a non-refundable fee of 10 to 15%. Keep in mind, your bond money or property can be lost if a scheduled court date is missed. The Weld County Jail allows detainees to make one phone call. Then they can speak to outsiders by calling collect or using prepaid minutes. You cannot call in to speak to an inmate, and jail staff does not pass along messages except in a verifiable emergency. To provide funding to pay for a 15-minute phone call, you must first set up an account online at securistech.net. Be aware that all calls are subject to monitoring and recording, so take care to avoid making incriminating statements. Inmates can receive mail which will be opened and inspected. The envelope should be addressed as shown below. Inmate name, Weld County Jail, 2110 O Street, Greeley, Colorado, 80631.